Learn how to use the crop image feature in Illustrator to crop an image. You can crop linked or embedded images in Illustrator. While cropping, you can use intuitive widget controls to work with the selected image. The crop image feature works only on the currently selected image. Also, linked images become embedded after you crop them. The cropped portion of the image is discarded and is not recoverable. Also, you cannot transform an image while cropping it. If you try to transform an image after selecting the crop image option, Illustrator exits the cropping interface. Crop an image. Perform the following steps to crop an image. 1. Choose File Place and select the image that you want to place. Click Place. 2. Select the image you want to crop using the Selection tool. Illustrator invokes the Selection tool by default when you choose the crop image option. If any other tool is active, Illustrator automatically switches to the Selection tool. 3. Do one of the following to crop the selected image. O. Click Crop Image on the control panel. O. Choose Object Crop Image. O. Choose Crop Image from the context menu. You cannot select the crop image option when two or more objects are selected. 4. If you're working with a linked image, Illustrator prompts you that linked files are embedded after cropping. Click OK to continue. 5. Drag the widget corners and edge handles to define the crop boundaries. 6. For any image, the crop widget is always rectangular in shape. Moreover, you cannot rotate the crop widget. 7. Optional, specify the cropping options using the control panel. 8. Do one of the following. O. Click Apply on the control panel. O. Press Enter, Windows, or return, Mac OS. At any point, to exit the cropping interface without applying changes, press Escape. Alternatively, click Cancel in the control panel, or select any tool from the Tools panel, except the Zoom tool and the Hand tool. On Windows 64-bit and Mac OS, when you select the Crop Image option to crop an image on the artboard, Illustrator identifies the visually significant portions of the selected image. A default cropping box is then displayed based on this identified portion of the image. You can adjust the dimensions of this cropping box if needed. Once you are done, you can click Apply in the Properties panel or press Enter, Windows, or return, Mac OS, to crop the image. To disable this feature, deselect the Enable Content Aware Defaults option in the Edit Preferences General, Windows, or Illustrator Preferences General, Mac OS. By deselecting this option, the default experience for Crop Image, Freeform Gradient, and Puppet Warp is disabled. Thanks for watching ITMaster channel. Please subscribe ITMaster channel.